Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this beautiful macrame coaster. So let's begin. I've used 3mm macrame cord and I've cut it at 5 feet, and I'm gonna need another 5 cords at 30 inches in length. So first take your longer cord and make a loop, and then take one of the 30-inch cords, fold it in half, and attach the loop that has been created underneath the loop that you've done earlier, and pass through the two ends and pull them tight. This is called a calf hitch knot or a reverse lax head knot. And next, what you're gonna need to be doing is to attach the 4 remaining cords using the same technique. Now, when you have all 5 cords attached, take the longer side of the 5 feet cord and pull it to tighten the loop. This will be the center of your coaster. Next, go ahead and take your longer cord, this will be our anchor cord, and place it on top of the near right cord. This will be our working cord, and then create a number 4 with your working cord and pass the end through the loop that has been created and pull it tight to the top. And repeat this step one more time to create a double half hitch knot. When you're done with this knot, move on to the next cord using the same steps, and don't stop until you complete the first round. There you're gonna see a gap. All you have to do to fill this gap is to take a 26-inch cord this time and attach it to your anchor cord by doing the calf hitch knot or the reverse lax head knot, and then keep going with the knotting. As you go, you will face other gaps as well, so whenever you see a gap, fill it up with another cord and then repeat the knots. And the cord you're using to fill in the gaps, you can cut it 4 inches shorter from the previous row to save on some macrame. When I finished knotting, I ended up to 4 inches in diameter. Next, turn it over and cut that cord in the middle, and then tuck the anchor cord into the back. Then go ahead and trim off all of the cords to create a circle, and next brush out all the strands starting from the bottom all the way up towards the center. And when it's all brushed out, cut the fringe around to refine the circle. Mine is about 1 inch, but you can make it as long as you like. And that finishes off our macrame coaster. Well, I really love how it turned out, and I will definitely going to be making another 1 or 2 or 3. I love the boho feel it adds to my space, and it's a beautiful addition to my coffee table. So, if you liked it too, please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you like home decor DIYs on a low budget. I love you guys. Until next time, take care. Bye!